I just bought a 3D printer, and one of the main issue I have is the plastic, the prints not sticking down to the bed. And after some experiments, I found out that there are 6 solutions that will help increase my chance of a successful print. The first one is put it on the ground. Don't put it on a table, especially not an IKEA table, because those things shakes too much. This 3D printer needs precision basically, and you definitely don't want to put it on a table like all the other YouTube channels. They have it on a table, unless you have a really good table that does not shake, because each shake will cost you precision. Next, you'll need to bed level at least 2 times. I'm not going to show you how to do bed level, but you can always view other videos on how to level the bed with your Creality Ender 3. I always do bed leveling at least 3 times, all 4 corners, again and again and again. The third method is clean the bed. I use 91% alcohol, but some people go nuts and buy 95%, 99%, but for me 91% is pretty good enough. So I use a towel and then some alcohol and then just clean the bed. This, I don't know if you noticed or not, but this is a Ender 3 clone. It's not exactly the real deal. So even though I'm printing PLA right now, the temperature is 200 Celsius for the nozzle. I increased the temperature to 210 Celsius, and I raised the bed from 60 to 65. The fifth method is slowing down the speed. By default, the Cura slicer will give it a 50 millimeter per second speed. I slowed down to 45 millimeter. Finally, have the printer in a close control environment, as control as possible. I closed the door in this room because I don't want the kids to come in, and once they come in, there will be a gust of wind when they open the door so fast and run around so fast. So try not to have the door open or windows open when you do a print. Hopefully these 6 methods increase your chance of success. Good luck.